Ayan na! Sinasabi ko na eh! Ma! Dito birthday ni Donna! Nakakainis kayo!
Grabe, Pops. Sa'yo na ako, Pops.
Basta may
Iba
blessing
ka talaga. May blessing ka na. May blessing ka na ng raton, Pops.
Yes!
Shucks! Naunahan mo pa kami. Naunahan niyo pa kami.
Countdown na, 1 month.
One month.
Let's go, 30 days ako.
Shucks, naiiyak ako. Hindi ko alam na July 5. Nag-video na ako, Pops, para remembrance na pagtandaan nyo.
Actually.
Nabigla ako kasi pinapakita mo pa lang yung ring. Tapos, hindi ko alam na next month mo gagawin yung proposal. Nakita ko, pinakita mo sa akin ng birthday ni Bia. Pero di ko nga alam na next month.
So, ayan yun, guys.
Napakaganda! Pops, pagkakatiwalaan kita kay Madam,
Naman, isang karangalan. Ano ka ba? Mamahalin ko siya, pati mga bata.
Pagkakatiwalaan kita, Pops.
Alam mo ba si Lucas ang nagsasabi na, Daddy, kiss Mommy.
Isa na yung nag-i-insist.
Si Mommy.
So tumakas kami kasi nag-gym kami tapos kasama namin si Pops. Tapos ngayon niya lang nabanggit sa akin. So tagal namin magkasama din. Ngayon niya lang nabanggit.
Sa bahay nga, di ba?
Ang hirap nga kapag, oo, tama. So, alam mo na gagawin natin, Pops. Mag-gym tayo, doon tayo makakapag-chismisan. Doon tayo makakapag-plano. Sis, ngayon lang kita ma-plastikin. Ngayon lang ako magtatago sa'yo ng kung ano-ano.
Pasensya mo na siguro.
Oh my God!
May blessing na yun.
Hindi pa ako ready. Kuy, ako yung kakasal! So, nag-gym kami.
Yes.
Nag-gym tayo ngayon, di ba? Mahirap kasi mag-salta sa bahay. Pati matagal na din kita gusto makasama, makausap. Siyempre gusto ko rin makuha yung blessing na ayun, plano ko nga mag-propose. July 5.
Ay nga!
Ito na rin yung sing. So, okay na rin yung 6.
Ano gagi, nagulat naman ako. Hindi ko expected to. Well, sa akin naman, nagtitiwala ako sa'yo eh. Kumbaga, napasaya mo yung kapatid ko eh. Kumbaga, tignan mo, nakikita ko naman kung gano'n siya kasaya kapag kasama ka eh. Kumbaga sa akin, hindi ako kukontra. Matutuwa pa nga ako eh. I'm glad to say that I agree na may blessing sa akin. Na sa akin, bilang kuya.
Si Mama eh.
Mama, yung sa'yo nag-propose? Hindi, kasi diba yung mga pinagdahanap niya.
Kaya gusto ko lang naman i-honor kayo, honor din siya in a sense na
Ano ba yan?
Mama yung nag-workout, baka mo walang kahangin ha.
Sana mag-guess siya, sana mag-guess siya.
So, saan tayo pupunta ngayon, Pops?
Sing.
Oo, ako yung sising. So, galing kay Celine, Celine to Zel, Zel to Koy, Koy sa atin. Yeah.
Ang daming pinagdaanan ng singseng.
Ang layo nga narating, galing from LA to Canada, to Hawaii, to here.
Ang daming pinagdaanan.
Sila pag dumama ng Hawaii, nag-travel na yung sing-sing.
Kaya parang doon nila pag nila sila sing-sing.
Nakakaba nga sila. Oo. Yung kailangan daw i-declare.
Ano, Pops?
Nakakabahan ako. Kataguto ngayon.
Ang masama susunod pa sila.
Oo nga pala, sila 38 minutes. Malakas talaga makakatog talaga si Bill, no?
Kinabahan din ako eh. Kinabahan ako eh. Malapit na yun. 36 minutes na lang yun.
Ay, magtago kay Ben, promise. Buti nandala ko yung backpack.
Oo.
Nabuya sa backpack.
Special delivery for you, my friend.
Oh my goodness.
This is it.
Tingnan natin. Okay. Solid.
Para hindi puwet ng baso, this is the papers that supports the purchase.
My goodness, my friend. Bagay siya kay Ben. Bagay siya. Gusto niya kaya? Oo, kaya siya.
Oo.
Kasi nandito na rin yung wedding band, di ba? Kasi may wedding band na siya masusuot. Cute lang.
You know. Ano, paano mo daw itatago yan? Magkikita kayo maya-maya.
Almighty backpack, my brand. Almighty backpack.
Makabili na ng backpack.
Ano?
Keme ka.
Backpack lang muna.
Backpack lang muna.
Oo, sa pinakailalim yan.
Oo, sa pinakailalim talaga.
Eh, pagbuhat na nakapayumbok sa ilalim.
Oh, shoot.
Patay!
Rekta na yung Pops, ganun no?
Yun.
Ayan.
Tara, Moon. Paalam na po ako sa inyo. Sabi, Lucas. Okay, paalam na tayo. Okay na.
Yes!
So, sana makuha natin blessing ni Ate Tara and Moon. They're watching over us, di ba? Angels. Good evening po, Tita. I just wanted to let you know na at matingin po yung blessing nyo. Mag-propose po kayo din.
Ang masasabi ko, na-surprise ako na,
Talaga po?
oo naman, hindi ko expected. And I'm happy for side out. Yun lang naman, wala namang problema sa akin kasi sino yung mahal ng anak ko, mahal ko din. So, sa akin okay lang yan, accepted. Oo. Try ko lang na makarating.
Try nyo po makarating. Promise po yan.
Promise.
Pinky promise. Promise yan. So may blessing na ako at yung mga bawang na tayo niya makapunta.
Okay.
So thank you so much, Tita, talaga. Sin sobrang special po talaga ni Belle sa akin. Lalo na yung mga kids. And gusto ko lang buong pamilya. Sama-sama po tayo. And i-base po siya sa pundasyon ng Panginoon. So,
Sana laging nasa center ni God. And thank you kasi dinala mo siya.
pero thank you so much talaga, Tita, na nakuha ko yung blessing. Hinihiling ko po
Basta,
yung kamay ng iyong anak.
Buong-buo kong binibigay na sa iyo.
So,
At
thank
I
you.
know na magiging happy naman.
Thank you po, Tita. Sana umuho ka. Kasi
Oo,
si Mama
talaga?
po umuho na. So, Tito, I'm here. Bisita po kita because I wanted to ask you for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Okay.
Alam ko naman po, Tito, na may idea ka na noon pa kasi ikaw ang isa sa unang nakakaalam din.
Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Kaya matagal ka rin po naghihint.
You know what, Ray? I will tell you one thing. From the first time really I'm seeing you, or I saw you before, I swear, honestly saying, keep the joke aside, wag mo sabi bola or whatever. You are the guy I really hope and I wish for my daughter. And I wish you all the best, guys. And I wish to see those kids growing up full of love, full of care as they are happy now. And all the best for both of you. God bless you. I love you both, children. You are my kids.
Thank you po, Tito, so much.
Congratulations, Ray.
Thank you so much
And
for your
I'm
blessing,
really
Tito.
happy and really glad to meet you and to see you always and every day and every day. You are like my son. There's no difference between you and them. You are my son too.
It means a lot, Tito, to hear that from you, na to feel accepted into your family.
Of course you are.
Kasi you're the same as me. I hope to be the same as you na when it comes to like leading a family. I know it's not easy.
Oh yeah,
but
it's true.
I will definitely need your guidance po and your blessing din po. So
Thank
it
you
means
very
a lot
much.
po talaga.
And you know one thing also, Ray, for me, I'm kind of a person, I don't care about a color, a religion, anything, what they call it. What I care is about the heart and humanity. Paano? Tao naman tayo, may puso. That's the only point. And I hope this family, it will gonna grow and grow and have uproot up to states it will reach. It doesn't matter where it reach. And bless this family and I wish you all the best. I love you, anak. Congratulations, Sisi.
Thank you. Pumayag
Love
na.
you, Zeno.
Pumayag na si Tito Mike.
Love
It means a
you.
lot talaga. It means a lot. So, Tito, I promise you that I will love your daughter unconditionally talaga. And I will support her in her career.
Thank you very much.
In all aspects that she wants to grow in po, Tito, I will just help guide her and be there for her. And for the kids po, I will make sure na I'll be that father figure that they can look up to and really,
It
they would
mean-
feel protected.
It means a lot to me again, saying what you say. Likewise, it means a lot to me. Thank you very
Tito.
much.
So,
Congratulations, son.
With that being
And-
said, Tito, I want to show you the ring.
Oh yeah,
This is the ring.
thank you very much.
Yan po yung ring.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So
That's
that's
a
the
beautiful
engagement
set.
ring and that's the wedding band. Pero Tito, what I'm planning to do is just to give it both to her so she can wear both if she wants. Kasi minsan baka mailang siya, masyadong
Oh yeah.
flashy, ito na lang po suotin niya.
Oh yeah,
That's the plan.
it's very beautiful. Congratulations. You get only 2 rings for me. Don't get me one because I'm planning to get married soon.
There it is. Tatlo po tayo na, Tito. Tatlo po tayo, Tito. So that's the ring right there, Bel. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. You deserve it, baby. Love you, Anak. Love you, Daddy. Love you. Actually, I'm sorry I hid that from you before because it was promised between me and him.
Yes.
That's I don't talk about it. All right.
It's a promise from a man to a man. So
Oh,
Tito
exactly.
looked out for
Exactly.
me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tito.
and
Thank you.
congratulations. Love you,
Ayun.
Sai. Love you, Ray.
Love you, Tito.
Anak.
Love you, Tito.
take care,
Thank you so
guys.
much.
And I wish you all the best. And we will meet in the surprise.
Surprise!
What is gonna wait for you, Sai? All right. Love you. Love you. Take care, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh my God, ako yung kinakabahan. Akala mo ako yung sa akin mag-aano.
Yung kapatid
Oh my God! Hoy! Best feeling ever to para sa kanya ha. I'm so happy for her.
Daddy Ray will ask Mommy, okay? If he can marry Mommy. Yeah. Yes.
Wait, what?
Yes. And what do you want? You want to say yes or no?
Yes!
Yes. Yes.
Mommy, please say yes! Mommy, please say yes!
Are you excited, guys?
Yes!
Yes. Kaya tayo andito kasi surprise na. Yeah, it's a secret for
And then
Mommy.
what is... Yes to Daddy Ray! Say yes to Daddy Ray!
Yeah. Are you excited, guys?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Ayan na! Sinasabi ko na eh! Ma! Ito na ang birthday po talaga ni Lola. Ano to? Ate, ito, di ba hawak na lang ako? Uy, bakit kayo ganyan? Dito birthday ni Donna! Nakakainis kayo! Hala! Nakakainis! Oh my Sabi mo na eh.
For the long day.
Nakakainis
Sorry
ka!
for the long day. I know it's been a long day.
Asan yung kids?
Huh? They're here. So, Proverbs 18:22 says that he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. I believe God brought us together as a token of his love for us. I'm truly blessed to call you my best friend, my lover, and my biggest supporter. So I hope that you feel the same way towards me. I want to continue to build a Christ-centered relationship in which I will lead and serve you with the best of my abilities. Your genuine, loving, compassionate heart are the crown of your beauty. You and the kids are my home, and I can't imagine life without y'all. With that being said, I brought all of our friends, family, loved ones here today to bear witness and ask you one thing. Zainab Harake, would you make me the happiest man in the world? Will you marry me?
Yes. Yeah. Came along, babe, just like a song, babe. After a long day, sitting beside you, I don't have to try and be some other person. Came along.
I love you and the kids.
I love you. I love you so much. Andun yung mga bata.
Yes, of course.
I'd take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. That I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Mommy, you're getting married, Mommy.
Yes, to Daddy! Are you happy? Are you happy?
Said yes, so that's a good.
Parang maimatay ako. Wait lang.
Well, thank you so much, everybody, for being here, for helping. Said yes, so that's a good.
Una pa lang mahal, yes na. Bakit?
Yo, so ring again, one more.
I love you so much. Totoo ba to? Totoo ba to?
Yes.
Paano? Sa bahay sila.
GPS. Lahat ka kung tsaba, mahal ko. Family picture.
Aiyak na naman ako, kakapunas ko lang. I love you. Pumayag ka?
I wish you all the best.
I love you.
Hey, you are taking the best pair you have in the family. Take care of this, your
Yes, no, definitely. Thank you so much for your blessings.
Grabe, wait lang. Pwede 5 minutes bago tayo. Oh my God! Maganda ba ako tayo?
Congrats, Pop.
Ate, mga ate ko.
If you let me try again, yeah, just give.
Are you happy? Mommy said yes? Yes! I love you, Kuya. Sino nag-decide ng damit nyo? Si Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Daddy, kakainis ka. Sobra.
So, Bakit naalala mo nag-selfie ako sa kotse, di ba?
Oo.
Photo yun ng ex-girlfriend ko.
Ah, ex-girlfriend mo.
Fiancé na kita.
Ay, yes! Yes! Mamaya mag-update ako sa service ko kasi may bago na akong first time mag-update as engaged person. Uy! Uy!
Basta ang dami kong gustong sabihin sa'yo na hindi ko na talaga masabi. Kaya,
bakit?
Wala lang. Kasi syempre ang dami nga ako tinatago. Kaya tanong mo ako parati, may tinatago ko. Yes, hirap magtago sa'yo. Anybody na nagtatanong sa akin, kamusta? Nanakabahan ka? Hindi, anxious ako. Gusto ko na matapos. Pero gusto ko matapos dahil ayoko na magtago.
Careful lang, princess! Wow! Yay! Are you guys happy? Yay! You guys happy?
Awas ka na, kuya.
This is my dream!
This is your dream? Way to keep a secret, kuya.
This is your dream, guys?
Way to keep a secret.
Daddy gave me a ring. You gave me a flower.
Bia also. Bia for you. Look.
Oh, thank you, kuya! Yay! Are you going to give to mommy? Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Hi, Chavis! I'm engaged! Unang update bago mag-asawa. Isa lang masasabi ko! Actually, ako, nahihiya pa ako. Pero masasanay din to. Grabe ka na ba?
Ang ganda ng sing-sing mo.
Soon to be kaliwa mong kamay ngayon siguro.
Oh my God! Soon to be Mrs. Sparks! Sabi niyo maghihiwalay ako. Ngayon, ex ko siya. Pero soon to be Mr.
Means a lot.
Take care of
Thank you for your blessing talaga.
spell. That's only what I have. That's it. I'm telling you. You know, when the first time I saw you, I know you are the right man. I know you are a man of principle, with honor, with moral, with dignity, with everything. Not like some other idiots. I don't want to mention names or whatever. You deserve to be happy. She deserves to be happy. She suffer a lot. Maybe you've been suffer a lot, but you don't say. You are kind of person you don't say what's your pain. But anyway, I'm here. I've had lots of antibiotic for you, son.
Thank you, Tito. Thank you, Tito. Like what I said last night, support her the best of my ability.
Well,
and I will
it's,
protect
you know,
her and the kids.
before I have 5 kids, now I have 6 kids. You are number 6. That's the only one I say.
Last na. Mahal, ang ganda. Ang sing-sing to. Parang pinakasalan mo na ako agad
Pre, pagkita natin yung wedding band.
Grabe yung sing-sing. As in. Makakabili ata ako ng Uy! Uy! Nakapili din ng maayos. I love you so much. So much, Daddy.
Love you.
Papakasalan pa pala tong ganda ko. Thank you, mahal. I love you.
I love you so much.
May couple ring kami.
Dito.
Si Trust God. So lahat ng ring na nakikita niyo yung couple sa amin, may black kami nito, may silver, may gold. So ngayon naka-gold kami.
Yeah, perfect.
And
But that's platinum.
aww.
Alam mo ba, hindi ka mahilig sa mga bulaklak, pero this is a special occasion.
I said yes. Always and forever. Huwag mo kaming sasaktan, ha?
Yan na yung pagbabanta.
Hindi
bumalik
ako
na.
nagbabanta. Nagre-remind lang ako, especially the kids.
Oo naman.
Ayun,
That is a witness naman.
talaga, alam nyo guys, ako sa totoo lang ako, alam mo naman din yan. Hindi ako naniniwala sa kasal na tao dahil na din sa mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Pero nung dumating si Ray, sa buhay ko, doon ko na, yung sarili ko na magsasettle ako sa taong to. Kasi nakikita ko sa kanya yung future na alam kong maiintindihan niya ako kahit sa pinakamahirap na sitwasyon pa ng buhay natin. So, sumugal ako. Sumugal ako ngayon with our lives talaga. Buhay namin 3 ng bata. Binibigay ko sa'yo kasi naniniwala ako sa Diyos, sa'yo,
And you deserve it, Daddy. Deserve mo ang yes.
God's provision naman talaga.
Una pa lang alam ko na, nung talagang nahulog ako sa kanya, nung nakikita kita kung paano, nag-isang taon tayo mag-boyfriend, girlfriend, hindi nagbago. Lalo mong ginalingan yung pagpupurso sa amin ng mga bata. So,
and I won't stop.
Yes. I love you, mahal, so much. Nakapag-update ka na, nag-update ka na sa Sebis?
What up, Sebi? So, for today's video, may fiancé na ako! Vlog takeover na. Well, yan. So, she said yes, which is sobrang thankful ako kay God and thankful sa lahat ng tao na nandito. I mean, it's just a testament to just God's love story sa buhay namin. So, continue to trust God and He will lead our way. Well, He's the foundation and we live for His purpose talaga. So, tulad na sabi ko sa speech ko, I want to continue to build a Christ-like relationship, Christ-centered relationship, as a matter of fact, where I can lead and serve you and the kids with the best of my ability.
Yes, I love you.
Love you.
To be loved like this.
In-order ko yung ring around February and ayun, doon nagsimula yung process. Yeah, certain people knew about the idea of the proposal during Bia's birthday. So, I was very thankful na they kept it a secret kasi the ring was in the process pa lang nun. So, may mga pictures, mga actually, dapat may film din na in-order ko yung ring. Sa La Union pa lang meron akong picture. May idea na ako kung ano yung gusto ko ibigay sa'yo. Yung birthday ko. But yeah, tumulong sa preparation talaga is si Ru. Grabe, sobrang shoutout Ru for really being a big part of this and hiding a secret from your own sister. But everybody played an intricate part, to be honest. Tonyo, Amcha, Team Sebi was in on this.
Nyo na ako,
Yeah, was in on this.
Ganyan na.
Yeah, so ang hirap naman kasi talaga magtago sa'yo, mahal. So, it took a team effort to get to this point of being here na, ayun, everybody did their best job and ako, for me, I'm just thankful kasi may idea ka na gusto ko mag-propose this summer. Pag-uwi ko galing Japan.
Lagi niya kasi sinasabi, antayin niyo this summer. So may idea ako na magpo-propose siya pero hindi ko lang alam na today na yon. Kaya nga, ewan ko sa'yo, Daddy.
Tinanong din naman natin Astro mo. So,
may blessing ng Stars at Universe.
Stars at Universe.
At saka ang pinaka-importanting blessing na meron tayo si God.
Yes, indeed. Yes,
kasi yun talaga yung pinapahalagahan mo, especially when it comes sa pagsasama natin. Gusto mo maligal lahat sa paningin niya.
Yeah, gusto ko naman talaga i-honor kayo ng mga bata. So, leading up to this point, actually, na-iron out lahat ng plans. Probably, nag-shoot tayo for yung fun shoot.
Bakit?
Doon na na-iron out lahat. Parang yung flow and everything.
Yeah. Recent lang yan So para talagang proposal, parang prenup photoshoot pala yung nangyayari.
Actually.
Kaya pala pinipilit niya ako mag-black today. Mag-go for the black. I go for the black.
Ngayon lang naman ako naging handsome sa suot mo or how you wear your hair.
Sa itsura ko, gusto niya nakapusod ako. Kasi guys, nung unang na-meet niya ako, nakapusod po yung buhok ko. Kaya kapag nakapusod yung buhok ko, lagi siya nagtatanong, sino mga kasama? Natitiis siya baka daw kasi may magkagusto sa akin dahil bet niya kasi yung look ko lagi pag naka-up yung hair ko. So siya po nagdesisyon lahat. Siyempre masaya ako. Number one, masaya ako. Kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na after lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, may lalaki pa palang handang saluhin ako, baguhin ako. Especially yung mga paniniwala ko before, hindi naman sa kung paano ako mag-isip ngayon. So, lahat talaga ng blessing, especially sa peace of mind na gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko, is dala niya. Sabi ko nga, love is giving, unselfish, sabi mo. Masaya ako, sobrang saya ko. Pero, syempre, lahat gagawin ko din for him. Kaya talagang oo ako, mahal. Kahit di mo ako tanungin, oo ako. Anong na-feel mo kanina nung sumagot na ako ng yes?
Parang, yung blessing lang talaga pati yung grace ni God. Kinilig ako. Hindi, kasi ito, honestly, first time lang kita makitang umiyak na as in talagang vulnerable and with joy.
With ginig.
Oo,
ginig
with joy.
Na saya.
Yeah, so na-overwhelmed din ako and I was really thankful na marinig yung matamis mong oo.
Yes. 2 beses na kita sinagot.
Yes. And the first time I met her, how she carried herself, she definitely was a keeper. And the more I got to know her, ayun, mabilis ako na in love actually.
Tingin ko after ng kasal, bubuntisin na ako nito. Hindi! Totoo nga! Kasi ako naman talaga
talaga, nakita ko naman siya hands-on daddy naman siya And nakikita ko na magiging great daddy siya sa mga bata in the future. Kaya hindi ko hihindian yon. So ayan, Sebis, dito ko na tinatapos yung vlog. As soon to be Mrs. Sparks. Diba? Hindi nyo kaya. Nakapusod ako pero yung buhok ko abot hanggang EDSA. So ayan, thank you, mahal. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifice mo para buuin to. Thank you sa lahat ng taong bumuo ng pinaka-special na event sa buhay natin. And more to go. And wala ako ibang i-wish kundi i-bless tayo lagi ni God.
Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. Would you get me spinning? Wouldn't it be awesome?
Unang mag-aarat ako ng may ring.
Kaliwa gagamitin mo?
Sabi natin, arat na!
Alam, ligat mo ka, Mom!